Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Know how to disable Windows 11's tracking features on your laptop or desktop PC. So you need to do the right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Now at the left hand side you will find a window which is called privacy and security. Click on that and here we need to go to this general. And here, turn this let app shows me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Let website show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Let Windows improve start and research results by tracking app launches. Show me suggested content in the settings app. All right. Once it is done, go back here and then we will go to the diagnostic and feedback. So if you do not want to use too much data on your computer and if you do not want to send the optional diagnostic data, what you can do is you can turn it off from here. Once you turn it off, all these three will be turned off and you can also delete the diagnostic data. And now we will go back and from here we need to go to this activity history, and from here I'll click on that, store my activity history on this device. So sometimes it is very convenient to turn this on if you're doing too much multitasking. However, if you do not want to be tracked, I would recommend to just turn it off. All right, because if someone else's use a computer, he can check that. So I would recommend to turn this off as well. And you can also clear the activity history from this account. So you just need to click on clear history and you will be able to clear it. So these are the things which you should turn off. And searching Windows index, I would recommend to turn it off. You don't want the searching windows, and once it is turned off you should restart the computer and you're good to go. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.